In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble and balance the Ronin S. First, attach the extended grip to the Ronin S battery. Then attach and lock the battery to the gimbal using the locking latch. The battery can be charged through the USB-C port on the gimbal. Quick charging is also supported. Before balancing the Ronin S, please make sure that all required parts are mounted on the gimbal. This includes the camera, image transmission device, focus wheel, control cable, etc. Mount the camera mounting plate to the camera and install the included lens support. Slide the camera into the gimbal. If there is not enough space, loosen the lock knob and slide the carriage over as appropriate, and then tighten the locking screw again. To balance the tilt axis, move the camera mounting plate forward and back until it no longer tilts in either direction. When you feel like the camera is roughly balanced, lock the camera locking latch to hold it in place. Next, rotate the camera so the lens faces upwards. Then let go and check whether the camera stays still. If it doesn't, unlock the lock knob on the tilt motor and move the frame forward and back until the camera can stay steady with its lens facing straight up. At this point, you may need to go back and fine-tune the back and forth balance. When the camera can remain still no matter which angle it's at, the tilt axis balance is completed. To balance the roll axis, hold the camera upright, then let go and see which direction it leans towards. Unlock the roll axis lock knob and move the assembly horizontally until the camera can stay still when tilted in either direction. You can also slide the carriage for finer adjustments. At this point, both the tilt and roll axis are balanced, and the camera should stay still when set at any angle. For vehicle use, a top hot shoe bracket is optional and should be mounted to the camera before balancing. To start, unlock the side and top nods on the bracket and slide it into your camera's hot shoe. Tighten both lightly, then go through the tilt and roll axis adjustment steps. Lastly, you'll have to balance the pan axis. Tilt the Ronin S to one side and check which direction the gimbal leans towards. Loosen the lock knob on the pan motor and move the gimbal either forward or backward until the pan axis stays still when let go. Now that the gimbal is balanced, it's time to tune the motor for the best performance. You can do this either through the app or by holding down the M button and the front trigger for 3 seconds until the profile indicator starts blinking. When the indicator turns solid green, auto-tuning is complete. For more settings on this feature, please refer to our Ronin S app tutorial.